So guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're not going to be doing the GT500, but guys, we are going to be doing a brand new project on the channel. Now, this project is not a brand new car. We've actually built this one before, and I believe I videoed it. I'm not really sure if I have. I'll have to go back and look at it. But guys, this is a rebuild of this car because I wanted to rebuild it and fix some problems with it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what model car it is and get on to the video. So guys, this is our new project, the 1972 Nova. Now this is a out of the box build. At the time I built it straight out of the box, no modifications, nothing, and it looked pretty nice on my shelf until it started falling apart. And now I just want to rebuild the whole thing. So guys, it has a bunch of stuff we can do to it. I don't have my computer here right now, but my computer has a bunch of lists, and I have a bunch of reference pictures on what I want to actually do with this model and how I want to rebuild it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rest. We got our front bumper, we've got our fenders right here, and I want to make our hood. I want to make this whole assembly here one piece like it was before, and just lift it onto the front here like it was. But then we're also going to have to take this engine out. But guys, I don't have my computer here right now with the reference pictures because we're not going to be modifying it just yet. We're going to be taking it apart and getting stuff ready to be rebuilt. Now guys, let's just, no more talking, let's just get straight into the teardown. So guys, I'm going to be talking for this one, and I'm going to go ahead and just take my knife and try to cut around the body here and see if I can take some of this glue off and pry that a little bit. See if I can get it off. There. Pop it out there. Pop it out here. Alright, so I got this side loosened. Now we're going to move on to the next side. This side should be easier since I know how to pop it. Let's go ahead and cut this out a little bit. Let's pop it out. Alright, I think I got it. Nope, not yet. Let's get behind this wheel. That's the thing with these rebuilds, when you're taking this stuff apart, the one thing you don't want to do is rip something off, like a suspension piece, and break it. So I have to be extra careful. Alright, see if I can get this rim off. Alright, so as you can see, the front belt right here, our alternator and water pump pulley, I can re-glue that, so that's good. But that's an example of breakage. Now we just got to get the interior shell out. I think the firewall is connected to the body. There we go. Perfect. Look at all that dust on there. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get these windows out. These are single piece, not a full thing of windows, so these should be easy to pop out. There. We got a battery. I'm going to go ahead and tear that out. I don't want to break it. Alright, well, we're gonna have to make I have extra parts and stuff. I have all types of parts in this clear box. So I honestly, if I do break a part here, I'm not worried about it because I can probably find something and make something happen. Well, let's get back to the teardown. Alright guys, next we're going to take the rear bumper. That looks nice. So all the parts that I've torn out, I'm going to go ahead and save them back in this box. And then all the parts that we have extra, should I take them out? Alright, here goes the seats. This is going to help us get... Damn. Okay, that's in there. Oh. Alright. Oh. It works. Honestly, this firewall, I'm just going to keep it on there. It's way too much glued on there. I don't need the shifter. I'm going to make a custom shifter for it. Oof, alright. Now the roll cage system, I'm going to keep it in there, but we have to get these tires out. Okay. Shit. That's stuck in there. Alright, steering wheel. We can, for now, I don't really care, honestly. We can keep it in there. And then, I'm trying to think. I have something hurting my arm. Front seat. We've got more stuff right here. I don't know why. This is the distributor. I don't know why it's not back here. Like that. This is a freaking oil filter, I believe. Yeah, that's an oil. No, that's a... I don't know what it is. But I can use this right here as a fuel pump. So, gonna keep that. Repaint it, but we're gonna keep it. I'm gonna be repainting this engine as well, guys. We're gonna put these parts, these are engine parts, you gotta repaint and all that. But let's focus on getting the engine out. Let's see. Engine's not... Okay, well... There. And then... Come on. It's gonna be a hard one. I do not want to break any of these parts. But I guess the oil pan's staying. Oh, metal axle is in between it. So we gotta get the metal axle out. Alright, well, if I can't if I can't get it with my hands, I'm gonna have to put this tool. Has like a little area right here. Try to have to get it. I'm not gonna clip it off, but I'm going to try to get this in here. And then hold this in my hand and just... Because this oil pan, I can't get it out. Okay, come on. That's why you lift weights. Alright, now this in here, there's a bunch of glue on it. That's a back to the wheel. So I'm gonna have to keep this part. I'm definitely gonna keep this part here. I'm keeping this part. Now, oh, I dumped my parts everywhere. Oops. Alright, we're gonna put this in here for now. Now, we're gonna take our stuff. I'm gonna try to take the rest of this apart, but a bunch of this stuff like this right here, looks like we can salvage that. I don't know why I left these black. I didn't even paint these black. I just left them the color of whatever they were when they came out of the plastic tree. There. That's a tooth from, okay. Well, guys, this is not a big deal. We can just rebuild this. So I'm not really worried. Water pump right there. Take that whole thing off. Take that off. And then now we can take off a bunch of this right here. There. All right, let's get this out. Let's get the valve covers off. I'm going to have to sand this as well. Starter, take that off. And yeah, there we go. We've got tore down engine. Now I can do a couple things. I can rebuild this with different parts, and I'm not really sure. I know for the engine there's some stuff I do want to do to the engine, like something like a nitrous. I can do that with a lot of different engines, honestly. I have all stacked up. I got a 2JZ in there from a Supra model that I used to have that broke, and I can swap that into this. So I have a lot of different engine options though. But I think I'm going to take this and I may rebuild it with new parts. So put some new parts on it maybe. But I'm going to keep these, but maybe it's like new valve covers, new starter, new headers if I need. Again, I'm not really sure what I should do. I could just take a whole different engine if I want to. But this one looks pretty solid. So let's go ahead and just use this one, I guess. But guys, this does look like a solid actual platform we can build from. This looks solid. You know, but I just wanted to, I honestly have been wanting to rebuild this model for a long time. And I just wanted something different from the GT500 to build on the channel. So that way we have some different type stuff. That's not gonna fit there. No, yeah, this one here. I'm gonna use my drill press to get all of the glue out of the radiator right here. Radiator, where the radiator goes in. I don't know what to call it. Sometimes I don't know what. Sometimes, you know, I don't know what to call stuff. I'm not a professional. I didn't go to school to be a car mechanic. I think I'm gonna be. I know a lot about cars, though. I could fix cars and stuff. But honestly, go ahead and give you guys some intel on something I want to do in the future. One of my dream jobs. Not only is a YouTuber doing these videos for you, but I also want to be a diesel technician. Alright. Let me go ahead and sand down these right here. So you can go ahead and get these ready to be put back on the engine when we need them. But what we're going to do is we're going to repaint the engine on this car, and that way we can get it looking like it came straight from the JCC shop. I'm not trying to cut my finger off here, so just reposition this. Alright. Sand it some more. Alright. So yeah. Pretty solid platform. We can build off of this. All we gotta do is just clean it up a bit. Make it nice. But anyway, guys. Let's go back. Let's go over to this right here. And let's get the suspension undone on it. Honestly, I'm going to reuse these right here. I think they're traction bars. I'm not really sure what they are. Wow. I don't know what anything is today. I'm going to reuse the same drive shaft and axle differential back here. Leaf springs. I'm going to reuse all these. Mainly all the parts back here. But I'm going to take these off because I want to get to the differential and take this out so I can repaint it. But first, we're going to have to get it out without breaking anything. Let's get these tires off. Okay, well, they're not coming off very well. Second. No, they're... Oopsie. Okay, well... Oh, no. I'm just going to leave the suspension on. I just snapped the leaf spring in half. Alright. Well, all I gotta do is line it up. The drive shaft just flew everywhere. All I gotta do is line it back up and I can get that on and back. Guess I'm gonna have to just paint the differential from here. But yeah. Just throw away some of this trash. And we have to get these tires out too. And the rest of these parts out. Like this extra starter right here. Let's just go ahead and take the whole roll cage out, honestly. Oh yeah, it's stuck in there. The tire is stuck to the roll cage. I was gonna reuse these tires, but they're just like in the back there, like extra tires. I don't think I'm gonna reuse them. These are way too gone. Shoot. Yeah, this is old stuff right here, and it, yeah, roll cage broke. Yeah, I'm just gonna build the whole new roll cage from scratch, I think. I'm gonna have to. Because I was gonna take the roll cage and build off of it. But that's not an option anymore. Alright, well, there goes that. Okay, well, that just launched out of... Yeah, we got a lot of fixing to do, guys. A lot of fixing. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for now. Whole gar. Torn torn down. Whole car is torn down. But yeah, guys, you already know. If you want to see more of these tear down builds where I fix them up, go ahead and comment down below. Tell me if you want to see more of these types of videos. But guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed your day. And see you next time. And guys, before we end this video, I just want to go ahead and say I am so happy, but I have this thing tearing up my room. Calm down, calm down. Hit my leg. But guys, this is my new dog, Lucy. 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 Look. Lucy. Lucy. Oh God. She just had like surgery, so she can't be like freaking out like that. But Lucy. Lucy, don't freak out. You just had surgery, girl. I don't want you to get hurt. Yeah, she's still recovering from surgery. But anyway, guys, Lucy, new family member.